Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change color of your name in Clash Royale. Changing the color of your name in Clash Royale used to be possible in older versions by using special color codes, like adding brackets with numbers to turn your name red or other shades. But Supercell removed this feature years ago to prevent abuse and keep names uniform across the game. Today, there's no official way to change your name color. Every player's name appears in the standard white or blue depending on whether you're playing or spectating. What you can still do is rename your account with gems and use emojis, symbols, or creative spacing to make your name stand out in a fun way. Just remember, once you spend those gems, the change is permanent unless you pay again. And if you see colored names floating around online, they're usually edited images or mods from private servers, not part of Clash Royale itself. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.